Well, today we're going to add an image into Rocrail using the old phone camera. You can, if you wish, download other ones, but here we go. First thing you need to do is make sure your camera is clean and the lens is clean as well. So let's go over across and get a photograph of the loco and then stick it into the Rocrail. So that's me got the picture now over the computer, and we'll stick the image onto the Rocrail itself. So I've downloaded the image onto the PC, and if I open it up with, I can go up to edit and create. So edit. I just want to crop it down a little touch. We'll save a copy. We'll call it Malcolm. So if we go into the wiki for the image, we can see here that the local image should be no more than 230 pixels by 80 pixels. And it's got to be saved as a PNG, a GIF or a EXP. So we'll go back into the image and resize it. So up here we see more and resize. We'll define custom dimensions here, and we'll keep the maintain aspect ratio, and we'll put in the height of 80. Now the width is 340, so it's too wide for Rocrail, so we need to change this again. We'll try 60. So 255, so not far away now, so we'll try 55. And just over no more, so we'll go 54. And we'll save that. Okay, now we want to save it as a PNG, which this program won't let you do, so we'll save it. And we'll need to go into another editor to change it into a PNG. So this time we'll open it with Paint, and file will save as a PNG, and we'll save it into the documents for Rocrail. So documents, into Rocrail, and images, and we'll save it in here, the PNG. Now go to Rocrail. If I go into right click and go down to properties, on the image, right click, double click, go down to the one I made up, Malcolm, open up and apply. That is now the local image into a Rocrail. You can use the Bazaar as well to download your locos, and with the ECOS you can also synchronize the locos from your ECOS into Rocrail. So a little short video this time. Thanks for watching. Bye.